how to make a poll in our Discord. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you make poll in Discord. Now to do it, so you first of all want to open up the server. Next you want to go ahead and open up the voice or the text chat channel. So when you go to the text channel, what you have to do is you simply want to go ahead and open this up. This is how it's going to look. In the left hand side corner, you can see the plus icon. Click on create poll. Now then, go ahead and type in the question. And you could also add any sort of answer. And once you've actually done it, so you could go ahead and type in the duration as well, maybe for at least 8 hours. And if you're sure about it, click on post. After you've actually done it, so you've successfully added or made poll in Discord. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.